Ruby. How are you? Hey there. I will explore the essential aspects of project documentation, the responsibility of architects and builders, and how effective contract administration ensures a successful project. This knowledge will empower you as a contractor or builder and architects to navigate your roles with clarity and confidence. First thing is to understand construction documents, which form the written and graphic documents prepared by the designer, usually an architect or an engineer. To communicate the project design for construction, it's critical to understand that these documents are distinct from contract documents. While construction documents focus on execution, contract documents define the legal obligations between the owner and the contractor. For instance, under a design-build-delivery method, construction documents like shop drawings or geotechnical surveys may not be part of the contract documents. Recognizing this difference helps prevent misinterpretation during the project execution. If you have a topic you want me to tackle, write it down in the comments and I'll make a video for you. What are contract documents? Contract documents are the legally binding and explicitly outlined in the agreement between the owner and the contractor. They describe the scope of work, including materials and services that will be provided, and typically include elements such as contract drawings, specifications, general conditions, and the supplementary conditions. The industry has standardized these documents through organizations like the American Institute of Architects or CSI, the Construction Specifications Institute. To be familiar with the standards helps contractors and architects align their practices with the established protocols. What type of drawings? The various types of drawings within a project serve specific purposes. For example, resource drawings illustrate existing conditions like the roads and the building, but are not considered contract documents. Meanwhile, contract drawings, which are the graphical interpretation, define the work scope and relationships between elements. Coordination drawings are another critical type, created to ensure all systems fit within the available space. Those are your submittals, right? The documents that the contractor submits to the architect for review. They are vital for avoiding conflicts during installation, especially in projects with complex mechanical and electrical or plumbing systems. Record drawings, often prepared by the contractor, is what we call the as-built drawings after they finish the project, and any changes that they've made or any change order that occur gets recorded. Those documents are submitted to the owner upon the project completion. This serves as the permanent record of the completed work. The specifications are the complement to the drawings by providing detailed written descriptions of the materials, the system, and the work requirements. They are typically organized according to the CSI master format, which divides contents into 50 divisions, ranging from general requirements in Division 1 to process equipment in Division 49. Another ally that we have in communicating our information is building information modeling, BIM, which is the shared knowledge resource that goes beyond 3D modeling to include data on facility design, construction, and operation. The capabilities of this system extend the quantity takeoffs, clash detection, finding a way to find errors, and quality assurance. For architects and contractors, using BIM enhances the collaboration, reduces for sure errors, streamlines the entire project life cycle. It makes for a more enjoyable job for everyone. Another part of documentation is the changes to the contract documents during a project fall into three main categories, okay? So revisions, clarifications, and modifications. Revisions, such as addenda, addresses changes made before the contract is signed. The clarification and proposals handle contract modifications such as change orders, which addresses more substantial organizations. Clarification and proposals handle changes during construction, while contract modifications such as change orders address more substantial alterations. Each of these processes is governed by specific protocols to ensure changes are documented and approved properly. This way, everybody's on the same page at the same time. It safeguards the interest of all parties involved, the owner, the contractor, and the designers. Submittals are a key part of the quality assurance process. These documents include shop drawings, product data, and samples that the contractors submit for review. They provide the critical information on how the contractor intends to fulfill the contract requirements. It is their interpretation of the design intent of the designers. It's important to note that submittals are not contract documents unless specifically told in the agreement. Their review and approval by the architect or engineer ensures the compliance without modifying the contract terms. It is also important that every person involved in the construction process plays a vital role in contract administration. Subcontractors and suppliers must understand the documents, adhere to the schedules, and prepare accurate submittals. Contractors, on the other hand, are responsible for coordinating submittals, reviewing them with compliance, distributing the approved submittals to relevant parties. For example, if the electrical system has to be revised in terms of we added another electrical panel, then the electrical engineer and the contractor and the subcontractor need to coordinate this information through the architect. I encourage you to explore the Construction Specification Institute resources for more in-depth guidance. Let's continue building with integrity, precision, and collaboration. If you have a topic you want me to tackle in construction administration, write it down in the comments and I'll get back to you on it.